If you're looking to elevate your home's look, aesthetics, and efficiency, our next guest can make your reimagined home a reality. Ryan Shutt, CEO of Southwest Exteriors, is here to explain how it's done. It is so good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Thank you so much for being here. You know, so many people, maybe they drive home after a long day and they pull up and they look at their house and they go, dang, I wish I had new windows, maybe a new door.
Right.
They reimagine what their home could look like. And you make that reality, a dream, a reality.
Yeah, you know, so often it's, you know, let's be honest, windows are kind of boring. They're not chicken sandwiches. They're not the pet of the day. So, you know, what we realize is that, you know, most people in town who do window replacement, all they're doing is they're taking an existing window out and they're putting a new one back in. Now, there's a lot of design options with that. You can do the nice, you know, the cool black on black that you see now, a lot of the bronze windows. But what we recognize is there's a big gap in the market to where, you know, people want to truly reimagine their home and open up a space. And so they typically think, hey, if I have one window here, that's all I can do. But where we decided to come in and say, hey, how can we actually open up this wall and give you more light, more living space, maybe even a door where there's only a couple windows. Or, you know, where there's maybe just a wall. And we can actually put a hole in that wall and put a window in or a door for you as well.
Which changes the complete feel of your home. It's like a new place.
It does.
It really is. So what should homeowners know before they even think about modifying their windows or their doors or doing anything like that?
So first of all, have fun imagining, right, as far as what's possible. But more importantly, call someone that knows what they're doing. You know, and again, our approach is very educational, so our promise is we're going to come out in high pressure, you know, try to sell you something if you don't need it. So let one of our design consultants come out, sit down with you, go through some design options and really kind of rethink, hey, what can actually be done here? But it's really important, too, to have someone that knows what they're doing. You know, when you're opening up a wall and when you have windows in place, a lot of times you may need a header or your house could collapse, so which is a very bad thing. And so, you know, so we'll work with an engineer as well, if need be, to make sure it's done properly. So, you know, we've been in business for a lot of years and we want to, you know, maintain our good
I know you have, and that's why you really are the best. People always are calling you, and word of mouth. You know, I know a lot of people, they have you, they love what you've done, and then, of course, they tell all their friends and family. And we were looking at some before and afters, which, I mean, just when you see these before and afters, it's incredible how quickly you get it done, too.
Yeah. You know, and again, you know, we take our time, but it's not typically as long as you think it's going to be to get something like that done. But even that picture that's on the screen now, to be able to open up your home and put in some sliding doors and have access to the back of your house where there was windows before, I mean, it just changes the whole dynamic of your home to be able to enjoy it during the, I mean, you know, we're getting our nice months before the heat comes in. So to be able to actually enjoy your home and enjoy the outdoor space is really nice.
Well, I think people need to give you a call now.
Absolutely.
You know, before summer, get it done. You have a special offer, Ryan, that I want to share with our viewers. You'll receive 6 years, 0% interest, or 25% off your project if they call you today.
No, they can call us whenever. So one thing that's unique about us is I'm not big on gimmicks or special offers, so we want to give people the best price and give them the option to pay for it in their time frame. So with this offer, again, it's a more expensive project, obviously, to open in your home. So they've got 6 years to pay for it, or if they want to, they can get a 25% offer and pay cash for it as well.
But you're always taking care of your customers like that. Call them today, Southwest Exteriors. There is the address. The phone number is 210-625-7865. You can also go online to southwestexteriors.com. Thank you, Ryan.
Thank you.